We all see the titles: $300 a day to click a button, 1,000 per week, copying and pasting. And if you're like me, you probably roll your eyes. Let's be real, it's not that easy. But here is the Logic Income Academy's route. Is it possible for a beginner in Lagos, Accra, or Nairobi to earn the same as someone in London or New York just by managing emails? Absolutely. But you need a strategy, not a scam. Today I'm giving you 6 working websites and the 3-step strategy to turn simple email support into realistic $300 per day remote career. This is the logic behind the hype. So guys, first we build the foundation. You can start at $300 per day. So you need experience and a steady income stream. Now your first goal is a solid direct hire customer support or admin role. So the first website on our list right here is simply called RemoteAfrica. So guys, this site is your initial advantage. It features jobs specifically for African professionals. So you simply want to search for customer support or administrative assistant. And guys, the good thing about this website right here is the competition. The competition is often lower than global boards, and the companies are specifically open to hiring on the continent. So guys, you can use this to land your first job that actually gives stable income. So as you can see right here, we have different jobs. I think this was posted 9 hours ago, and this one 11 hours ago, 12 hours ago, and so on. So guys, you can simply search for jobs. So you simply want to create an account, all right, and get access to the jobs right here. So guys, you can simply filter, all right, by remote in countries, all right. So guys, you can search for the company or by keyword. For website number 2, we have Working Nomads. So guys, this is a global job board. You can use the filters for administration or customer support, and you can simply select anywhere for location. And guys, these are full-time or part-time direct employment roles. So you're getting a steady monthly paycheck, maybe from $1,000 to $2,000 a month. So guys, this is your safe house. As you can see right here, we have different jobs listed right here. So guys, now this one, I want you to actually go through it to actually gain more information about this. So guys, you can see right here, you can simply find a job title or keyword. You can type it right here, your location, your category, your position type, your salary, and you can also filter by posted dates right here. So guys, this is the logic. All right, you won't eat $300 per day here, but you gain crucial experience. All right, so you build a track record and get paid in foreign currency. This base allows you to. Website number 3 is simply called Turing. Why this is known for developers, Turing and similar platforms hire for higher value roles like customer success or technical support. And guys, these jobs rely heavily on excellent email communication. All right, and the strategy right here, guys, you simply want to get one skill. So don't get a degree, get a certification. All right, so you want to take a free or cheap online course in a high demand skills like CRM software. So you want to learn the basics of platforms like Sendex or HubSpot. All right, HubSpot. And another one is SAS support. So you want to understand how to troubleshoot a simple software tool. And when you apply to a Turing job, you are not just a typist, you are a customer success specialist who handles email resolution through Sendex, and your rate just got a massive bump. All right, so easily pushing you over the $15 to $20 per hour mark. So guys, you can actually earn money using this platform. All right, so but you need to actually learn something. All right, you need to get a skill, so take note of that. So guys, this is how we finally hit the $300 a day goal. $300 a day means $37.50 an hour for an 8-hour per day. And no one pays a beginner that much. You just reply to a few emails, but you can actually do this by when you are getting paid $37.50 an hour. All right. So now they pay it into an executive virtual assistant (VA) who runs their entire digital life. All right. So to actually get started, you want to click on here, right here, where you can see get started. All right. Website number 4, we have Freelance and Boldly. So guys, these are premier US-based virtual staffing companies, and they hire VAs to manage clients' invoices, calendars, and schedules. All right, and they look for professionalism, not necessarily a degree. So getting hired by them is a high-quality professional foreign income stream that quickly approaches the $300 per day rate. So guys, you can simply go to their website and check their specific career pages directly. All right. So guys, I'll also be leaving all these links in the description of this video. For website number 6, we have Upwork, and we also have FlexJobs. So guys, if you prefer freelance, this is your platform. For FlexJobs, this is a paid curated job board that calls out 90% of the scams. So you can search for high-level administrative assistant roles right here on the FlexJobs. The company's postings here are serious and pay well. All right. So guys, you can simply go to flexjobs.com to actually get started. And that one is Upwork. I believe most of us we are familiar with it. So guys, you can actually build a powerful profile right here. You can list your new CRM or the SaaS key that you've learned. All right. Then you can set your rate at maybe $30 to $50 per hour. So guys, you are selling organization and efficiency. All right. So not just typing. This is the logical path to a daily rate of $300 or more. All right, guys, remember something: the phone is just a tool. Your brain with a specialized skill and a professional approach is a gold mine. Please take note of that. So here is your definitive logic income academic action plan. So you simply want to go to RemoteAfrica or working Nomads to land your first steady customer support job. And the second one, guys, get one skill like Sendex or HubSpot to increase your value. And the third one, please take note of this: you want to apply on Upwork, FlexJobs, or Belay as a high value virtual assistant. So guys, don't chase the quick dollar, chase the value skill. All right, that is the only logic that gets you up to $300 per day. Now, which of these 6 sites are you going to apply to first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.